Hey you! How many case studies or essays have you done this year? Not many, I bet. So how are you going to get that A? Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, Mr. Toh did a little experiment with some of his students who failed their mid-year exams. Their average scores were at first, for their case studies, about 11 to 12 marks out of 30, and he had them come back during the National Day holidays and set them in the classroom to do only case studies from 10 AM all the way to 10 PM. It was just do, go through. So tiring. But guess how much they scored for their prelim exams? They scored an average of 21 to 22 marks out of 30, and one girl even scored 27 marks out of 30. We've since restructured and improved on our bootcamps and made it more accessible for everyone. These are currently our most intensive bootcamps. The Level 1 will cover 10 essays and 8 CSQs, while the Level 2 bootcamp will cover 24 essays and 16 CSQs. Through these lessons, you'll learn the skills to properly structure your answers, to dissect question requirements, as well as cover all sorts of content while going through these case studies. Our bootcamps will be available on-site, through Zoom, as well as through our pre-recorded video lessons. You'll also receive exclusive materials for these bootcamps. So what are you waiting for? Find out more at tuitiongenius.com/bootcamps.